In today's video, I will walk you through how to disable hardware acceleration on Spotify. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Once Spotify is open, go to the Settings area. You can access it in one of two ways. Depending on the version you are using, click your profile icon in the top right corner or click the three-dot menu in the top left corner. From there, select Settings or Preferences. The wording may look slightly different depending on your version of Spotify, but look for the general settings page. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down through the available options. If you see an option called Show Advanced Settings, select it to reveal the additional settings. Not every version of Spotify will have this option, so only select it if it appears on your screen. After revealing the advanced options, continue looking through the settings until you find a section called Compatibility or something similar. In that section, look for the setting labeled Enable Hardware Acceleration. Once you find it, switch the toggle off to disable hardware acceleration. After turning the setting off, restart Spotify to apply the change. Close the app completely, wait a moment, and then open Spotify again. Once Spotify has restarted, the hardware acceleration setting should be disabled. If you ever want to turn hardware acceleration back on, return to the same settings area. Look for the Compatibility section again, find Enable Hardware Acceleration, and switch the toggle back on. Then restart Spotify once more to apply the change. And that is how to disable hardware acceleration on Spotify. Thank you for watching.